Hello everyone, welcome to my final year project presentation entitled Optimization of Baking Parameters of Cake Made from Leftover Ice Cream using Response-Based Methodology. And my name is Syariza BINTI KAMARUDDIN, my MATRIC number 192272. There are days in the ice cream business when retailers are unable to finish ice cream in a machine. This could be several factors such as dwindling number of customers during winter season and the occurrence of power shutdown at shop. This could cause the ice cream to melt and having a leftover. And these leftover have limited conservation times and are often thrown away. Therefore, the aim of the present invention is to use this melted leftover ice cream as it appears to have a lot of potential for being converted into a bakery product such as cake, croissants, and donut. The study's main objective was to optimize the baking time and temperature on cake made from the leftover ice cream in terms of physical quality, which is firmness, springiness, and color change. The methodology of the study was divided into two, which is stage 1 and stage 2. In the stage 1, the design of experiment based on the response-based method was developed, and then in the stage 2, the melted ice cream, and then the production of cake from the melted leftover ice cream, and then the cakes will undergo for an analysis of cake, which is texture properties and the color measurement. After that, it will review for statistical analysis using analysis of variance ANOVA, and lastly is the optimization and validation of the experiment. The statistical analysis were done for the firmness, springiness, and color change, and the estimated regression coefficient, which is R-squared for each response, were 88.10%, 85.83%, and 91.11%. The effect of factors on texture properties on firmness was shown in the contour plot given. High firmness was observed for baking temperature between 170 and 190 degrees Celsius within 30 and 35 minutes for baking times. And similarly, high firmness was recorded between 42 minutes and 50 minutes between 150 degrees Celsius and 170 degrees Celsius. Springiness, the contour plot shows the high region springiness was observed for baking time between 30 and 40 minutes within 150 degrees Celsius and 165 degrees Celsius for baking temperature. This similarly reported in Al-Mutasib et al. 2013, springiness increased with increasing convective baking time. Factors on color change was shown in the contour plot given. High total color change was observed for baking time between 35 minutes and 50 minutes and within 175 degrees Celsius and 190 degrees Celsius for baking temperature. This is as the higher temperature caused a rapid drop in thermal conductivity within the product, enhancing the Maillard reactions and causing browning to appear earlier. The effect of factors on color change, as you can see in the figure. The crust of colored cake at the 40 minutes of baking time with different baking temperature, the color of the cake turns more darker as the increasing of the temperature. Similarly, shows for the figure at the below, the crust color of cake at 170 degrees Celsius baking temperature. The optimization and validation of the response were done. The optimize of the value of the factors is the time is 37 minutes and the baking temperature is 150 degrees Celsius. A validation experiment was carried out under the optimal conditions, and the percentage of the error between the actual and predicted was less than 10%. As for conclusion, the leftover ice cream has a lot of potential as a value-added product in the form of a cake, and also in the other form of bakery products such as croissants and donuts. Secondly, the optimized value of factors were 37 minutes and the temperature for the baking is 150 degrees Celsius. And lastly, the predictor model regression coefficient model thus developed was verified as highly accurate.